Yeah, this is a decent one. Nothing giant, but solid. Welcome to another episode of Water and Ice Outdoors. Today, I'm out at my favorite shore fishing spot, targeting winter smallmouth. And as you can see, it's winter here in Minnesota. We are in between the open water fishing season and the ice fishing season. And I'm just walking to a different spot right now. I came out here to pick up my new clam Yukon shack for this winter, for the ice season. And luckily, this spot is pretty close to where I went and got that. So came out here to check the river because it's been so high lately, and it's actually gone down a few feet. So we're gonna be out targeting Mississippi River smallmouth today. It's snowing, it's about 25 degrees. We're gonna grin and bear it because we're gonna catch some fish. Stay tuned. Fish out. Oh, dropped it. Didn't get a good hook set on him. I don't think it was very big, but it was a fish. Nope. Missed it. Dang. There's fish here though. It's good. There's 2 bites and 2 casts. I gotta get my hookup ratio better. Something right in there. Fish on. This is a decent one. This is a decent one, guys. Yeah, this is a decent one. Nothing giant, but solid. Couple pounder maybe. That's good. Oh, this is a real nice one actually, guys. Oh, look at that. That's it, fellas. That's why I come out here. Look at that beautiful fish. Gorgeous. Gorgeous winter smallmouth on the Mississippi River. Love this spot. As you can see, got the green chartreuse tube. I've got it Texas rigged today, and just caught him in the side of the mouth. Absolutely beautiful fish. Gorgeous. 2-pounder, he's chunky. That's what we like to see. All right, guys, one last look at this beauty. Let's get her back. Not the most ideal place for a release, but do the best we can here. There she goes. What a great fish. Great way to start the afternoon. Now all I'm doing to fish this tube is letting it sink all the way to the bottom and then just hopping it back. And I'm watching my line, and when I see a twitch in the line, I set the hook. And I'm not discriminating either with hook sets. If I see my line twitch or move, or I feel something, I'm setting the hook, as you've seen. Doesn't cost you anything to miss hook sets. There's one. Yeah, man, these are all small fish, I think, because I'm just not getting hook sets on them. If you guys have watched my other videos fishing on the river, I'm just doing what I usually do. Find the current seams where the fast water meet the slow water and pitch your lure right into that current seam, because that's where the fish are sitting, waiting to ambush bait. There's one. Oh. Man, I gotta start getting better hook sets. I just missed another one. I think we have a school right here though, guys. That's about 4 bites I've had in the last 10-15 minutes. And I'm definitely not showing off my skills because I've missed 3 of them. Another one. Little guy this time. Real small. But it's another fish. That's 2 for the green chartreuse tube here. Little guy, we'll get him back. Haven't even gone to my Kitech yet. That's the other plastic I'm gonna throw today. But this tube is money. If you got smallmouth around, use a tube because it is just deadly. But I'm pretty sure we got a school here. Come on. There he is. They must just be all little guys. Maybe that's the problem. Other than that one big one, they must just be all little tiny guys. Maybe that's why I can't hook up with them. Another little guy. Pretty sure this is just what we're running into right now. School of little ones. Still nice, still fun to catch. We've got a little deeper spot right here as well. And I think they're just sitting in that little hole. That first one we caught, I think, might have been the big one of the bunch, so We might have to make a little move here and try and find another little hole. Another one. Definitely on the little guys. It's awful fun. I mean, I'm getting bites every cast. I just would enjoy a, another 2 or 3 pounder, because they're in here. Good one. Good one. Kidding, it's a walleye. Felt like a good one. And a foul hooking too. Little tiny guy. Look at that, little tiny walleye. That's not what I was expecting. Still fun though. Alright, just got to a new spot. We're gonna check it out. It's a little deeper, a little rockier. Hopefully, there's some bigger fish in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Not quite as big as that first one. But still a nice fish, and he choked it. Look at that. Still on that green tube. Another nice one. One last shot here, guys. Nice 1.5 pounds, maybe pound smallie, but another nice fish. We'll give it the best release we can here. There she goes. Beautiful fish. Absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching as always. Quick little smallmouth session here on the river, and it was a lot of fun. I was just out checking water levels, and turns out they're almost back to normal and back to fishable, and the smallmouth are biting pretty well. Not any giants today, but definitely caught some fish, and had a couple nice ones. So thanks for watching. As always, click that subscribe button if you like what I'm doing here, and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time on Water and Ice Outdoors.